Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Pete here. I got finally my Griots polisher back. I've finally received my Griots polisher back, and I'm really excited. This is a completely new polisher. They didn't decide on repairing it. They were just going to send me a new one, which is probably the smart thing to do, just from a business standpoint. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you guys kind of everything that's in the box, because it does pertain to cars. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's been a little bit. I would say it took them maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks to finally get my new one back after sending the old one. But the customer service, I will say, is fantastic, and they will never let you down. Lifetime warranty or something like that for their products, so you can ensure that your product will always be safe. But anyway, or you can ensure that your money will be invested well. But anyway, we're gonna unbox this, and I'll show you guys kind of everything that's inside the box. So here we go. All right, so unfortunately, you guys know me. I do whatever I can with what I have, and I don't have a knife. I can't find my knives. I don't know why. So we're gonna use this, and I'm probably gonna get some interesting things in the comments. But anyway, all right. So let's start. Alright. And just to note, this is not the original packaging that they would usually send, or you would usually find your new products to be sent in. This is just kind of probably a box that they made up, or at least the exterior box. I haven't obviously looked on the inside. Maybe they'll have like a new product in the inside, and it looks like they actually may. Alright. So, now we finally opened the exterior box. Oh, there we go. Let's just see if there's anything else hidden. Oh yeah, that's just thank you for your order. Alright, very cool. Alright, so that box is completely gone through. Alright, so this is the Orbital polisher. This is my exact polisher that broke on me. It's not really necessarily on the product. I used it a lot, and I used it for long periods of time, and just the heat caused it to fault and have problems. So yeah, so we'll open this up, and we'll see what's inside. Alright. And there it is. Oh man, it's so exciting to have this back again. I'm so happy. And they sent all the attachments too. This is all stuff that I have, but I'm really excited to have it again. More tools. I don't necessarily know what this would go to. Leave in the comments below if you guys know about this, where this would go to. And of course, this is the handle that you can kind of hold on. Pretty helpful to have that. But yeah, this is it. We'll take it out of the kind of the plastic wrap. And here's the polisher. I've had this polisher, not this exact one, but I've had the same one. This polisher for probably 2 years, and obviously it broke, or had a fault. So I'm really excited to have it again, and you guys bet I will be making a video, kind of going through what paint correction's like on the GTI. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys look forward to some really cool videos in the future. So anyway, with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.